perhaps the single most important thing I'd like you to understand about Unearthed is that we're an organization that truly believes in the power of entrepreneurship to change the world.
Because a lot of you are sitting here today in a room about to do a workshop, and that might be all that you think you're doing, or you're working on a little enterprise or trying to solve a problem. But I actually think you're doing something far bigger and more impressive that's worth being present to, and that is creating a new industry.
Yeah, sort of growth on the internet. Right now we've got about 3.4 billion people connected to the global internet. I'm not talking about devices, I'm not talking about Internet of Things, I'm not talking about sensors or anything like that, but 3.4 billion people all connected to what has become the world's largest, among other things, the world's largest market ever.
You know, so from an energy or an engineering perspective, you know, any type of waste or byproduct that you can use again in your processing, you know, can basically be turning that waste which you're paying to get rid of into a form of profit.
There are always more smart people outside of your organisation, and you absolutely want to connect with them in this distributed manner.
We see that future where activities of our mind are driven by an algorithm in the cloud using edge computing to deliver to those remote places, that we use artificial intelligence to continue to tune those algorithms to handle the exceptions when there's something a little bit different.
By 2020, the world will spend $1 trillion a year on cybersecurity, yet 95% of all individuals and organisations will still get hacked.
IT innovation hub inside of Australia. We are building a new applied science about how to make sure that data and algorithms and all this stuff that we're dealing with today is dealt with ethically, sensibly, with privacy and security and those sorts of things in mind. So
Flowpay is developing a new payments technology for transferring money continuously.